Sounding rooms.
Tara Patrick. It's porn. It's porn.
So I took it from your room.
Yes, it's Ben's though. It's Benjamin's. Of course the handcuffs, but they've been there all year.
And there's a nice shower stroke bathroom here. Just
Is it time for work?
Was this? Is this the dishwasher man?
I'll fix it.
Dishwasher maintenance manager. He's got to fix it. Boys, the dishwasher's getting fixed. Let's go witness this. Jokes. Biohazard. Did you not read the sign? It's broken. Is it? It's nothing. Nothing you can do, boys. He's got to go back up.
I've got a phone Bosch.
Don't you mean boss?
As long as someone can pay for it, I'll be here. Just come knocking.
Let's check out dishwasher. Oh no, okay, he's gone back. He's gone.
You can come in.
Dishwasher man's room.
just have a look around the room. This is our 7th bedroom.
Seventh bedroom. Seventh bedroom. It's ensuite. It's ensuite. Oh, Dishwasher man gets a bit of hardcore action during the night times.
2 bottles of champagne.
2 bottles of champagne. He's very classy.
Bookshelf.
That is class.
Scholar as well.
That's he's a very educated man. Clearly. He also likes to dabble in his sheesh every now and then. Bit of a Middle Eastern vibe there, and apparently drink himself silly. And his other hobbies are pretty useless. So nice work, Dishwasher man. Thank you for coming on such short notice, by the way.
It's fine. Thanks for putting me on.
Anytime, we're not a normal house, as you can tell. Where am I going now?
That's it.
Is that it? Sick.